I'm John Cristani. I'm here at a underground marketing mastermind, and if you're coming upon this video, don't click off, because in the next 2 minutes I'm going to show you how, using nothing but an internet connection and my computer, I've been able to make millions of dollars. But it hasn't just been myself. It's been thousands and tens of thousands of people all over the world have been able to make the same sort of money using this little known secret, which I'm actually about to reveal to a small number of people on an exclusive live training that's happening this week. Now, if you've come across this video, you are of a very few lucky folk who are going to be able to get access to this live training I'm doing this week only. There's a link. If you're on a desktop device, it's in the lower left-hand corner. If you're on a mobile device, it's in the upper right-hand corner. You'll want to click that link and register immediately to get access to this limited time training that is only going to be available for an extremely limited amount of time. The registration page will not be available any longer once we have filled up all the seats for this training. Now, it is my intention to pass down this information to a select few people, just as this information was passed on to me before. Now, if you haven't noticed, there's been an explosion in the number of internet businesses happening in the last few years. And what I'm about to reveal to you in this training is a step-by-step method of how you too can take part in this revolution that's happening, where people, average people, are taking back the economic control of their lives from the governments and the corporations that want to keep you subservient and bound to them. We now have a tool through the use of our computer and an internet connection and the system, which I'm about to reveal to a select few people, to take back economic control of our lives through the distributed internet processes, which I'm about to show you, of how you can sell products all over the world, and how thousands and tens of thousands of other people just like you are making real money online. Click the links below if you're still on this video and check out what's going on and what's on the inside. Again, this video, this training will not be available for very long, and once we have filled up the spots, it's gone forever, and you won't be able to access this information. I'm only opening up this training for a select few people.